Winnuscon 12 offers you advanced smart copy functions. First, select the photos you want to organize, using the countries and cities the photos were taken. Next, select from the Copy Files menu the submenu option, GeoTags Country and City. Winnuscon will now create the target folders based on the names of the countries and cities. There are many file properties you can use to generate the target folders. Organizing your files has never been so easy. You can also view the photos with the aid of Google Maps. Now you can wander around the area where you shot your holiday pictures right from your laptop at home. Finally, we will show how you can attach an URL of a YouTube video to a photo using the comment field of the EXIF-properties. Search on YouTube to the movie you want to attach to the photo. Copy the URL in the browser menu and paste this link into the comment field in the EXIF-properties editor in Winnuscon and click on Save. To view the movie, select the photo and click on the Comment Explorer button in the File Explorer menu.